Hey everyone, if your Goodman furnace is flashing 1DL or IDL and you're getting a little worried, take a breath. This isn't an error code, it just means idle. Your furnace has power, it's standing by, and it's waiting for the thermostat to tell it what to do. Now here's the key. If your house feels cold, or your thermostat is dead, the problem usually isn't inside the furnace. Let me walk you through how to check. When you see 1DL, the control board is basically saying, I'm ready, but no one's giving me the signal to start. So, if you've got no heat, look upstream. The issue is often a blown 5-amp fuse on the control board. Before you touch anything, turn off the power to your furnace at the breaker or the service switch. Safety first. Open up the access panel and find the control board. You'll spot a small blade fuse, usually red or purple. Pull it out and check for a black spot, a broken metal strip, or burn marks. If you see any of that, the fuse is blown. Replace it with the exact same rating. 5 amps, no more, no less. Pick one up for a couple bucks at any hardware store. Once the new fuse is in, restore power. You might see 1DL again. Totally normal. Give it a minute to reboot. Head to the thermostat. If it's back on and working, you're good. If not, the wiring to the thermostat is likely the culprit. Check for pinched or cut wires, loose connections, or staples driven too tight. Recent work nearby? That's a big clue. And don't forget, if the access panel isn't fully closed, the safety switch won't let the furnace run. If you're still stuck, try a reset power off. Wait 30 seconds. Power back on. If the fuse keeps blowing, stop. That means there's an active short somewhere. Usually a thermostat wire rubbing against metal, a miswired smart thermostat, or a pinched wire near the control board. That's it. Drop a comment if this helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.